And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:43. We are waking up to a warm and humid start with mainly cloudy skies across the RGV. Now these clouds will break apart and we will have some sunshine later on today, but expect the first half of the day to remain rather cloudy. Now temperatures outside here in Weslaco, 74 degrees to 77 in Brownsville. McAllen and Harlingen, you're at 76. Dew point value at 72. It's going to stay in that very humid category today. That southeast wind is going to continue to pump in that moisture, so it will feel stickier later on this afternoon. Now your wind speeds are going to pick up by about mid-morning, so 9:30, 10:30 this morning. You'll see sustained wind speeds. That means constantly blowing between 13, 18, and up to 20 miles per hour. The second half of the day looks like they'll stay between 12 and 22 miles per hour at the south-southeast, gusting near 30 miles per hour. So get ready for a very breezy afternoon in addition to the heat and that humidity. High temperatures will range from 80 at the coast to 85 in Brownsville, 87 in Raymondville, Harlingen, as well as Weslaco, to 88 in Edinburgh, 90 when you get into McAllen and Rio Grande City. So yes, a very warm day, well above the average in the upper valley and staying just about 2 degrees above the average in the mid valley. Set up across Texas shows the cold front to our north, and it looks like that's where it's going to stay at this point. Now it is going to start to move south throughout the day today, getting closer to central Texas before it begins to fizzle out. Now in addition to that, we are going to continue to see that wind out of the south-southeast pumping in that lower level moisture. As this front gets a little bit closer, it's going to weaken our atmosphere enough that we could see some showers and thunderstorms, and even with an outflow boundary supporting some thunderstorm activity early Tuesday, rather, not Thursday. Looking at the high resolution future track model, we start the clock at 6, and notice here is that spotty activity. It could happen anytime between now and kind of clearing out by noon. It's very isolated stuff, really not too favorable for a whole bunch of heavy rain. Now as we head into the overnight hours, we pick up the rain chances a little bit, especially into early tomorrow. This is about 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and notice that we have that scattered shower activity. Here comes that potential for the showers and thunderstorms, and that happens at around 9 until about 11, clearing out by noon. Late in the day tomorrow, we could have maybe a few more brief showers in the upper valley, mainly on the southernmost portion of Star and maybe even western Hidalgo County. But for the most part, we're going to see high pressure move in place behind that, and that's going to help clear things out. There is going to be a decent amount of cloud cover around for the rest of the work week, but I think for the most part it's going to be relatively dry after Wednesday. Monday, or today, 10% chance for rain, bumping that up to 30% for tomorrow. Now if you are out on the water today, there will be a moderate chop building on the bay waters. Near shore waters will range between 3 and 5 feet. Mariners of small craft, you should use caution. Fishermen, high tide today is at 3:02 this afternoon. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast.